is Dana Johnson. Today I'd like to share with you a low-fat grilled cheese recipe. So why go low-fat? Well, because I've snacked on too many cookies today already, probably is a good reason why. But another reason why is it's important to watch what we're putting into our mouths and into our diets on a daily basis. So when thinking low-fat, I'm going to use this here. This is a whole grain bread that's actually only 1 gram of fat per slice. I'm actually also going to use some light mayonnaise instead of using butter for like the traditional grilled cheese sandwich. You don't need to use very much. And if you just take some time out and pay attention to your labels, you'll find out that right here, this here is a 2% milk cheese that has lower fat than the standard American cheese. And actually using a mozzarella cheese has less grams of fat than, let's say, a cheddar or a jack cheese. So I think I'll use one of each. And put that sandwich together and enjoy something that's going to be nutritious and low fat. I like making simple recipes like this, especially for anyone that hasn't spent a lot of time in the kitchen, and this is a great way to get started. Oh, toasty brown all on the outside, the cheese is melted on the inside. So just because it's low fat doesn't mean it has to be low on taste. And for more recipes, please see me at danasfamilykitchen.com.